for package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and in today's video we are going to talk about the NesPi K Plus. It's for the Raspberry Pi and you can make your own NES Mini Classic. So in this video I'm just going to do a little bit of an unboxing and I want to show you what are we going to get. So it comes in this really awesome box. The box itself is very collectible. Functional power, reset button, functional LED indicator and safe shutdown. And the safe shutdown, for people who don't know, I think it's going to need a little bit of programming, but you can just press on the button to close down your Raspberry Pi. And if you don't do this, you just close it down, you are going to ruin your CF card. So it's from the brand RetroFlag and I have read that it's a very high quality product. So let's check it out. Alright, let's unbox this NesPi together. And I like what I'm seeing here. Ooh, this one looks promising. But first, we're going to take a close look at the manual. No, upside down. And here we have an instruction 1 of the 2. How we need to connect it to the Raspberry Pi. And even basic explanation how the safe shutdown switch works. Interesting. So let's take a close look at the NesPi case. The first thing I'm noticing that it is really awesome. It looks like a high quality product. It has a good weight to it. Details. The button's got a very nice response. microSD storage. Very nice detail if you look to the official, original, old school Nintendo. Here we have, of course, the 2 USB connections. Here I have a little slot for swapping out the main CF card. Power, the holes for the HDMI and the audio. So let's do a little bit of side-by-side comparison of the original NES Mini Classic. So, what you can see, I hope you can see it on the camera. The color is a little bit different of the NES case. The funny thing is, this is the original color of the NES, and this is how my original NES is now. A little bit yellowish. How do you say this? A little bit more yellow. Let's put it that way. So yeah, as you can see, it's way bigger. The official NES Mini Classic. So I thought it was really fun just to do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison. So yeah, for the final conclusion, the NesPi casing is a really nice product. Let's do a quick look inside. It looks amazing. It looks like a fun product and a fun project. And if you want to build your own NES Mini Classic, I think this is the way to go. You can just use a 3D printer, but I really love how it looks, how it feels, and yeah, if I'm starting building this NES Mini Classic over Pi Classic Edition, I'll make of course a video for you. For now, it was just a little unboxing. and I want to show you what are you going to get with this product. If you're interested in, I will leave a link in the description. And I'm not, why doesn't, close it. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell because you get a notification when I'm releasing a new video. And see you next time. Bye bye.